Okay, here next category of the reaction under chemical properties of the alkene is that polymerization reaction. Now, what is polymer? When large number of the small molecules, okay, when large number of the small molecules combine under suitable condition, it may be a very high temperature, extreme temperature, and a very extreme amount of the pressure, we get one molecule which will have a very large molecular mass. Okay, that is what exactly happens in the polymerization. So here actually what we think about, if we think about the polymer, like there is very wide application of the polymer in our day-to-day life. The plastic chairs which we are using is a polymer. The plastic bag, okay, the carry bag what we use is a polymer. The insulators in the electrical connections, it is a polymer. Like bottles, drinking bottles are polymer, right? The cooking pans, they are made of Teflon, like Teflon coating is there. Then non-sticky things, what we say, non-sticky pans, then it is also a polymer. So our life is so much dependent on the polymers. So we are going to learn about the some of the polymers over here. The first polymer, the monomer. For that we require something called as monomer. Monomer is a one small unit of the molecule that is going to combine large number of such molecules will combine to give one big unit which will have a extremely high molar mass. So here I'll take first example, that is polymerization of the ethene. I will write polymerization of ethene. This is the alkene, okay, this is the alkene and it is the ethene. The temperature condition is 470 Kelvin, okay, this is the temperature, and the pressure is 1502 atmosphere. This is a ethene molecule, one ethene molecule. Under this type of conditions and a limited supply of oxygen, and also I will write in the limited supply of oxygen, we are going to get a alkene, we are going to get a polymer. Polymer is represented in this way, CH2 connected to CH2, and this chain is further connected, and I'll put N value over here. If this is 100, then this will be N will be 100 in general, that is what I am saying. And this is called as polyethylene. Like many times we use this word, a polythene bag. So that is what it is, polyethylene. So this is the ethene is a monomer, and if you do the polymerization under extreme conditions of the temperature and pressure, we get a polymer, and this is a polymer with name polyethylene. The applications of this polyethylene is used as a insulators. It is used to make bottles. It is also used to make toys. Okay, this is the application of this polyethylene molecule. So this is the polymer, and the molar mass, okay, molecular mass of this polyethylene molecule will range from 50,000 to up till 3 lakh. Okay, so the molar mass of this polymer will range from this. So next polymer is chloroethene. Okay, let's take an example of the chloroethene. So this is B, polymerization of chloroethene, that is CH2, CH, and I will write Cl over here. This is Cl. So this is the monomer. The monomer which we are using is N times CH2, CH, and the chloride. So this is called as a vinyl chloride. This is vinyl chloride. Other name for this is vinyl chloride. And if we apply a under this reaction is carried out under high pressure. The thing what we are going to get is this CH2, CH, CH, and further this is N. And this is known as a polyvinyl. Just you have to add the word poly instead of this, polyvinyl chloride. In short, this is also known as PVC. The application is also wide application is there in day-to-day life. That is PVC pipes. Okay, PVC pipe is a major what we can say the application in day-to-day life. PVC pipes are used for water supplies. Okay, that is what is very important. Other also many applications are there, like toys, polybags are there, but major application in a market today is of the PVC is making the pipes, water pipes. Okay, water supply pipe. Okay, for the domestic use. And this is the vinyl chloride, and polymerization of this will give the polyvinyl chloride. So next is polymerization of a tetrafluoroethene. Okay, so here we will write carbon-carbon double bond, or I will write this way, carbon-carbon double bond, and tetrafluoro. Here 2 fluorine, here 2 fluorine. This is also a alkene, tetrafluoroethene. And I'll take this N number. This is N number. N times, that is tetraethene. And this is reaction takes place under high pressure. This is a necessary condition for most of the polymerization reaction, high pressure, and in the presence of peroxide. This is the reaction which is taking place in the presence of peroxide. So here what happens is fluorine, and this is the thing, and this is known as a tetrafluoroethene. Also, other name for this is known as a Teflon. Okay, Teflon is very useful polymer in day-to-day life, like non-sticky pans which is used. There is a thin Teflon coating on it. Okay, very hard polymer it is, and it is coated with that. And there are Teflon tapes which are also made, which has a very large applications in the field of plumbing part. Okay, to avoid the leakages. As a packing material, the Teflon is used over there, and this is what the monomer, that is tetrafluoroethene, is the monomer, and the polymer what you get is a polytetrafluoroethene, and the other name for that is a Teflon. And the conditions are high pressure and in the presence of peroxide. Polymerization of the styrene. What is a styrene? The monomer. Monomer is a styrene. So styrene is this. Benzene. This is C, double bond H, CH2. This is the styrene. You take N number of the styrene in the presence of the catalyst. In the presence of the catalyst, the compound what you get is a CH and CH2. and this is n number of time. This is called as a polystyrene. Okay, these are all, if I categorize, this comes under the addition polymerization. One monomer is getting connected to the another one. There is no any loss of any of the atoms from this. There is no any molecule which is condensing out from this molecule after polymerization. This is just a addition of the polymer. The double bond is replaced by the single bond. So addition polymerization, all these things, all these polymer what I discussed in this lecture belong to the addition polymerization, and this is the molecule which you will get, and it is called as polystyrene, and this is styrene, which is a monomer. So about the polymerization reaction with respect to the alkene is done. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.